it. Zip lining.
Cove, yeah, like very secluded cove. And then once you got there, you had to hop on like this giant army truck. And that army truck takes you way up in like these mountains, right?
Like all those movies that you watch.
It totally was. Like, and you're in Mexico, and then you got like chickens running around the roads, and just like no clothes.
Oh, that's the one I would do.
Yeah, that's pretty awesome.
What you think? What you think? You ready?
A little nervous, but yeah, I'm ready.
We got this. I'm the one that's actually nervous, too. What you think? Got jokes.
Alright, boys.
Alright, brother. See you on the flip side.
Good? So just drop right from here.
Whenever you want.
It's right.
Get that signal.
And then like just bring it up like this. Alright, so.
Clear. Here's our two clear line too.
If I got too fast and I start panicking, so I start biting.
Oh, no! Oh, good to you, John.
I had to open it.
What you think, bro?
Awesome.
You ever had anybody go back out, like start swinging back? He's just laughing.
I'll tell you later.
He was good. Has he done it before?
Yeah.
Dude, that break was awesome. I was going fast. What'd you think, Jordan?
Good.
Dude, I like the little running start, man. Let's try that one. Woo! Run and jump. Do it. Sissy. Run and jump. Run and jump. There you go. Yep, he's got some speed this time. Let's go, Daryl.
Clear that, clear that.
Good? All right. I almost forgot to start running.
Fastest and longest. Come on up, bro. This is the tallest, longest, and fastest one. It's probably Main Street. Good go. glove gets so hot. Nice work. I went flying through again. Yeah.
Have to pull them in.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Everybody's so much better than I am. I think it's maybe I weigh a little more. That's all it is.
Could have added a little bit more style to it.
It's like it's so hot. Man, how do you guys do that? Just kidding.
Alright, that was
That's the next one.
Yeah. Because he was like, you sure you don't want me to go?
Oh my god. This is insane. There you go.
Make the money that way. You earn your money out of it. Yeah.
Look at this dude.
I thought it was
He's pulling it.
and I was
It's messed up, man.
like him.
Yeah.
That's where we should have listened. Yeah.
Randy and I did. And if I was crazy, where are you guys?
You're like
Oh,
3
man.
4. Burlington.
You guys are such pros. Nice. Whoop, whoop. Nice. So, we're like up in the trees, dude. What do you think? Oh yeah, it looks like it. Looks like we're running on this one.
This was
Like, do something crazy. Action shot.
worried about that shoulder on that table.
Why we were.
Yep.
That's why we were